Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way. Make sure your Xumo TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi network, and update both the Xumo app and device software. Once done, open the Xumo home interface and immediately go to Settings, then Screen Mirroring. This initiates the receiver mode on the TV so your source device can discover it. Make sure you leave the screen mirroring panel open while you switch to the source device. On your phone or laptop, open the device's casting or screen share feature, AirPlay on iOS, Cast on Android, or Miracast/Project on Windows. Look for the Xumo device name that appeared when you opened Screen Mirroring and tap it to connect. When the TV prompts you, accept the incoming connection and choose a resolution if asked. This ensures a stable picture. While connecting, close heavy apps and pause large downloads on both. To finish, stop mirroring from your phone or laptop or use the Xumo menu to disconnect. This cleanly releases the receiver. If you see audio drift, stutter, or lag, make sure both devices are closer to the Wi-Fi router and lower the mirror resolution. This reduces bandwidth strain. If it still fails, restart the Xumo app and reboot the source device, then reconnect to the network. That single restart resolves most pairing and discovery hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.